And propaganda is just one part of this strategy. The second one is surveillance. China has mastered that too. A vast network of surveillance as a means to control the society. It is expanding its Orwellian reach, and for this, China uses something called the United Front system. What is the United Front system? You could call it a magic weapon. A weapon that secures the Communist Party's power. How does it work? The United Front is a coalition of groups and individuals working towards the CCP's goals. It's a network of party and state agencies, social organizations, religious bodies, universities, research institutes, and individuals. All of these are working together to strengthen and expand the Communist Party's control at home and abroad. The United Front Department is run by one of Xi Jinping's close allies, Wang Yang, the fourth-ranked member of the Politburo. Domestically, the biggest target of this body are minorities and ethnic groups of China, the Uyghurs, the Tibetans, the Kazakhs, the Hui people, the Tajiks, and many more. The Communist Party is strengthening its influence over them by co-opting representatives from these groups. The United Front system keeps an eye on dissidents. It tracks student unions in university campuses. It scrutinizes religious bodies. It mobilizes students and minorities for nationalistic activities at home and abroad. These operations are covert and deceptive, and they spread way beyond China's borders. In Australia, for instance, some businessmen were members of the United Front. They have been accused of interfering in Australian politics on China's behalf. The Australian media extensively reported on this. In the United States, at least 2 senior members of the United Front have been taken to court for stealing technology. The headline is on your screen. It tells you the story. This United Front also runs Confucius Institutes. Recently, there were calls to ban them in America. Critics said these institutes try to control the discourse at American universities. And none of this has happened overnight. The United Front has been active for a while, serving China's interests. But it's now under scrutiny after the Wuhan virus pandemic. From Australia to Britain, United Front members mobilized to gather medical supplies and to send them to China when the outbreak happened. The world has now taken note. The secretive arm of the Chinese Communist Party is influencing minds at home and infiltrating societies abroad.